Did you know that the Saab 9.3 headlight washer nozzle can be adjusted? Did you see how that sprayed most of its water over the bonnet rather than onto the headlight? Stay tuned, let me show you how. Can you see the shape of these nozzles with these annular slots around the outside of the nozzle? Believe it or not, you can actually buy a special tool that fits that you can use to move the jet around with. But it also just so happens that a 4mm or 3mm flat screwdriver, or one of your larger precision screwdrivers, also fit into those slots. With a little careful manipulation, you can use those to move your jets around. A 3mm screwdriver is probably the best, but with care you can put the screwdriver into one of these slots and you can move the jet like so. It's a good idea to spray a little WD-40 or water if you've just used the jets. It makes it easier to move them. But by moving them like so, you can adjust them to give a better spray pattern onto your headlights. In this particular instance, I want this jet here to spray and clean in front of the dip and main projector unit, and this one to spray up here and clean in front of the main beam assist unit. Now it gets the full wash straight on the middle of the lens. All the water is doing the job of washing dirt away. I hope you found this video useful. You too can do the same thing to your car. If you got value, like the video down by the title, and I'll see you next time.